No coca leche, no coca leche, no coca leche.
All right, here we are, my daughter and I. This is a New Year's Eve day, and we thought we'd make some Logan bread out in the hot tent.
Even though we cannot bake to save our lives.
What are you talking about? Yes, we can. We made an amazing Christmas cake. People loved it at the holidays.
Yeah, but...
Are you ready? We're gonna make Logan bread. Logan bread was invented, I guess, in 1950 by a group of mountain climbers going up Mount Logan in the Yukon, Alaska, and it was basically better than what was the stuff they made? What's that? Oh,
Dad has to research this. He didn't make a script beforehand.
Oh no, I can't move the...
He's very unorganized and now the computer's glitching.
Yes, what does...
Dad, just...
This is the first sort of energy bar, so to speak. We gotta do our wet ingredients first.
Okay, how much?
All right. We need 2 eggs. 2 eggs.
Can you hold 1 egg?
Alright, I got it.
Don't drop it.
I won't drop it. There's the other egg. 2 eggs. 1 cup of applesauce.
Why applesauce?
I don't know. The recipe calls for it. Probably keep it moist. 1 cup. 4 chops and applesauce.
Oh, good God. This reminds me of when I was sick.
Oh, that's great. We're putting vomit in there, are we? Lovely. Lovely. Half a cup of honey. Pure honey. Honey.
Again, Dad.
No, you can't do that. 1/4 cup molasses.
Oh, no.
Yes. Oh yeah, you vomit when you pour molasses, don't you? What's your problem?
I hate the smell of it.
All right. Brown sugar. How much brown sugar? Oh. Doesn't say brown sugar. It's gotta have brown sugar in it. Oh no. Oh yeah. 3/4 cup brown sugar. You're doing dishes. Where's my brown sugar?
This is not my idea.
Where you got the brown sugar?
I have the brown sugar.
1/4 cup. So that's a...
We probably should have
done... Did I say 1/4 cup?
Yes, it is.
Is it?
Okay, we probably should have done the sugar first. Yeah, this is all just gonna stick. Dad, this was such a bad idea.
What?
It's all stuck.
Ew. Ew. All right. Now, while you're mixing that, I'm going to get the dry ingredients ready. In your puke bowl.
Oh, why are we using the puke bowl?
It's the only bowl we have. This is the bowl that Kyla uses if she has to throw up beside her bed. But she did last week. She was sick before Christmas. Yeah.
As I said, we should get another bowl, and that bowl should be the designated puke bowl, because even if you clean it...
That's right. I'm getting on that. Yeah. Oh, here, you need that? All right, we're back. I forgot to put half a cup of canola oil in the wet stuff, and we need 3 cups of whole wheat flour. You could put half of that and then put half of rye-flour. That's what they actually use, but I couldn't find.
Ew, Dad! Look at this. Oh, never mind. You missed it. It all broke up.
That's the oil. So 3 cups flour. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1/4 cup of rolled oats.
I don't know if you can see it, but there's just a layer of oil at the top, Dad.
Well, oil always goes to the top. That's what happens when a tanker gets stuck in the ocean and oil to the top.
Yeah, but I don't think it's supposed to do this.
1 1/4 cup rolled oats.
There's been so many comments saying, "You did this wrong!" We know we did this wrong!
That's how we learn, Kyla. We do everything wrong. 1/2 cup of baking powder. Where's the baking powder? You see baking powder?
Did you seriously not get baking powder?
No, I did. Oh, it's right here.
Go.
This is the Canadian baking powder. This is good baking powder.
Because there's a difference.
You know what the difference is? When you say that this is baking powder, you say, this is baking powder, eh?
What did you do? It's all over the...
No, it's fine. It's good. Teaspoon. Is a teaspoon? And 1.5 teaspoons.
No.
What?
No.
What? 1.5? Is that half? Sure. Salt. Oh, and I have salt now.
He didn't have salt. Or pepper.
I never eat salt. How do you open that? Oh, you do this. Oh. Salt.
You have to measure
Oh, I just eyeballed it. That's what you're supposed to do. Oh, raisins. You love raisins.
Why?
The more you eat, the more you toot. Raisins.
It's not for raisins.
Oh yeah, raisins make you toot.
Yeah, but that's for beans. That's salt.
Oh yeah. Thanks for raisins too. This is peated dates.
Oh, I'm so bad.
What? No, dates are good. You gotta put dates in. Just think of it. It's minus 28 outside today. We need something to keep us warm. Hello, Angel.
Seriously, get like a huge brick of dates?
That's how you get dates.
No.
That being this, not like a date. You know what I mean? So have you gone on a date yet?
Stop.
No, you have. That means you have. If you're stalling, that means you have. I'm gonna put this whole thing of dates in.
Don't break it up. Oh my god.
Whoa. All right, what else is supposed to go in there? Rolled oats, light. We got the brown sugar. We put brown sugar in there, right? Well, we put the brown sugar in there. What would you put it in there for?
Because that's where you're supposed to put it.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now you got to get in there and mix it with your hands, or you could use this if you want. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to mix the liquid goo into the dry goo, and then mix it all up, and we'll get back to you.
Do you just realize what you said? The dry goo? How does that work? Ask yourself this, Dad. How does that work?
Frothy and gross. Frothy and gross. You're gross.
You're gross.
You're grosser. Okay. What do we got?
Because Dad filmed this video on such a bad angle and you couldn't see anything, we've decided to hold up the ingredients so you know what we were pouring into this mix. So, over here we have whole grain oats, all-purpose white flour, sweetened applesauce. We have molasses, fancy molasses, not just molasses, it's fancy molasses. Magic baking powder, not just any ordinary baking powder, magic. Canola oil, brown sugar because we're healthy, and white eggs, raisins. We also used honey, but we ran out of it. Oops, somewhere. Oh, and salt. Yeah, Dad bought a huge brick of dates. I'm a little concerned.
Okay, so we're mixing the liquid mix goo into the dry mix goo, and yeah, so we put out the we put up the hot tent in the backyard. It's New Year's Eve day. We're making Logan bread, but we're going to actually we made it in here because we've been frozen by now. But we're going to put it in a Dutch oven and do it on the Dutch oven. And
because that is camping.
that is camping.
Okay, Danny, more.
Right.
More.
Well, that looks pretty good, actually. You gotta admit that. And I'm gonna get parsnip
That
paper.
just looks like gravy.
Well, here's parsnip paper. I'm gonna use parsnip paper in the Dutch oven. The main reason why is it's a lot easier to clean afterwards, especially when you're winter camping and it's really cold out. So I'm gonna cut some parsnip paper. Eyeball it.
No, don't eyeball it. Oh god.
I got this, was it Woody's? It's made in Michigan, USA. I got this at the Quiet Water Symposium. And
Shameless self-promo.
it's this guy that was selling them. He's a nice guy. I don't care about promote. I don't worry if I'm promoting him or not. Kids these days, they're so desensitized. All right, you ready? Now I'm gonna hold this in front of the camera, and you're gonna pour that goo in here in front of the camera. You ready?
It's not all mixed in yet.
No?
No. There's still
Get your fingers in there. Let's do this. Ew!
This was your own fault! You did this to yourself. Dad! Dad! Dad!
Alright, you hold that and I'll put it in there. Oh no, like your body towards it. Yes. Back up a bit. Alright. Mmm.
That makes it appetizing, Dad.
Oh, it smells good.
That smells good. No, there's an angel hair in it!
Ooh, seriously?
Right there.
Where?
Right there. Right there.
You can't get it all gooey. Ew. Ew!
I can't get it. I can't get it, Dad!
You got it?
Oh my god!
You got it.
There could have been a better way to do this.
Yeah, I could
We
use a
could have
spoon.
avoided this.
Or a spatula.
Yeah. Or a spoon.
Yeah. Have you ever known your father to be perfect? All right.
Okay.
Hi!
Dad, you're dripping.
So I'm gonna flatten that out. Maybe wash my hands. I'm gonna flatten that out, and then we're gonna go outside and put it. Well, I gotta get a fire going first, though.
Wait, we're going outside. This was. I did not sign up for this.
Yes, you did. You signed it up when you became my daughter. No escaping it.
This is what I have to deal with.
Oh, this looks good, Kyla. It does.
Dad, Angel has stuff in their hair, in her fur. You tripped on Angel!
Oh, that dog can handle it. Angel's 4 years old now.
No, she's 5.
Really? Facebook says she's 4. And I always believe what Facebook
And
says.
Facebook's always right.
Facebook's always right. All right, can you show the camera what it looks like?
Oh, it's sliding, Dad.
Is it? Ew. All right.
It just falls out on the floor.
All right, that's Logan's Bread by Kyla and Kevin, Carolyn, and the dog.
What did the dog do?
Well, put its hair in it.
Extra flavor, I guess.
It's a wee bit windy on the hill today. It's a bit of a storm came in, blew my tent down. Snow went over, but before that, I was able to cook the Logan bread. Well, Kyla and I did. She's off inside. Let me see. Whew. That's nice. That's really good. Dates really added to it. Molasses. All right, I gotta fix the problem. Things were coming out. Logan bread, Dutch oven, hot stove. Got nothing else to do on New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. That's what my daughter and I did. Awesome.